Modern data centers, especially if you're running AI workloads, are fast, dynamic, and high stakes. One drop packet or an elephant flow can impact your job completion time and your bottom line. And that's why Kentik turns raw network data into real time actionable insights. So let's take a look at how. So here we are in Data Explorer, Kentik's intuitive query engine. And what I'm going to do is pick a metric, in this case bits per second, and I'm going to group this data by flow, and then I want to filter my devices. So I'm going to filter by fabric leaf switches. And pretty quickly here, you could see that we could spot a flow that could disrupt our GPU synchronization. And keep in mind that this isn't just pretty visualizations. What we've done here is find a problem before users even notice, or in this case, before we start seeing delays in our AI workload. Now, let's say that we want to reclaim wasted network capacity. And if you think about it, with the cost per port in modern data centers today, it's a very important activity for managing cost overruns. So what I'm going to do is change my dimensions. I'm going to look at a 24-hour average. And I'm looking for links that are sitting idle under 1% utilization. And if you think about it, that's very real CapEx that we could repurpose to somewhere else in the data center. Now that we have those results, I want to turn that insight into action. So with a couple clicks, I can convert that query into an alert policy. And I'm going to warn at 100 gigs, trigger at 200, and notify my team via PagerDuty or an open ticket in ServiceNow. And we can also use something called monitor only mode. And we do that to replay the policy across past data. So that way we can tweak thresholds, we can fine tune those lookbacks, and we can eliminate false positives before we go live with this alert policy. With Kentik, your network becomes its own early warning system. No more dashboards to stare at, just insights that act for uptime, cost savings, and AI performance that delivers. Visit Kentik.com to learn more.